WarsawJS.
Okay, so I have to pull out my phone because basically I was preparing all of it during like a break. So how many of you heard about TypeScript TwoSlash? Nobody. That's cool. So it's something that I've learned like about yesterday. Yep. So I'm basically in this room. I am. Probably most of you know TypeScript, and they have really nice way of showing code snippets in their docs. So basically, if you've got some code and it should throw an error, like the TypeScript error, it's not so easy to like normally show it out and like create a code snippet or to show what a type is. So they've built a thing called TypeScript TwoSlash, which allows you to have a TypeScript code. You put it into a thing they called TwoSlash, and then it kind of like executes the code and finds the errors and then puts them like here. So the next line will throw an error 2532, which you can Google and see what it is. It's like an internal name of an error. But yeah, so here you can see that there's like a function and you've just written the function and it has error 7006. And if you plug it into some nice tools that are built around it, it will automatically add this for you. So it's super easy to create those code snippets that have actual TypeScript, which will run the TypeScript, and the errors will be the actual ones that will happen. So you just write code and all of the errors are there. And there's one more thing that I wanted to show you, which is oh, no, not here. Oh, no, sorry, $2/Cdn. This one. So you can have it here run in the browser. It loaded for super long for me before, so I hope it will work. But basically, oh yeah, it did. So here's the source code for that page, and you've got a code snippet like this, and that's super important here. So you point at count and like give a question mark, so what it is. And what it does is evaluates all of it and shows you a tooltip with what it is actually, what TypeScript knows about it. So it's super nice for creating code snippets. I've seen a few of those code snippets today that could have used this. You don't have to create your own comments and like try to guess what's there. You get actual TypeScript. You get if you change the snippet, it will actually update, and all of the things will be as if you hovered over the stuff, for example, in VS Code. So it's called TypeScript TwoSlash. Once again, there's this thing called Shikiji, which is like a compilation of TwoSlash and like a highlighting library. And yeah, I guess that's it. So.
Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. And it's interesting, that's one of the first times that I've seen no one raise their hand. Who is familiar with TypeScript TwoSlash? And the room fell silent, Mr. Legięć. Does anyone have any questions for Bartek about TypeScript TwoSlash? I'll go this way, and we're back. All right.
So I've heard about it during the break and now the second time, and I think I get it. So the TwoSlash name is from the two slashes representing a comment explaining what the type will be, right?
Yeah, so it's kind of that's one thing. So you have you can point it out to displays and say, hey, what is this place? But it also does the other thing, which is like actually executes the code, will check where the error is, for example, with TypeScript, and it will save it, will give you in a nice JSON, and you can show it like somewhere here. So basically it's, show errors, this one, So that's generated by this library.
And the main use case for that is basically making documentation,
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
Okay.
So it's documentation, code snippets, like it's a extension to Markdown-ish.
So, by the way, that was question TwoSlash. Oh, you got that? Okay. The question, because I'm into this prompting thing. So the question is, what does the TwoSlash stand for or signify? That's the question. Here we go.
And it turns out that the TwoSlash stands for two slashes. So, yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah, I actually have two questions. One is, you said that you have seen some presentations that could use
yours,
those
for
tricks. Yes. And the other question is it true that you have birthday today?
Yes, I do.
Yes. So.
Sto lat, niech żyje nam. Jeszcze raz, niech żyje nam. Głośniej! Niech żyje nam! Bartek! Legięć. And I finally figured out how to pronounce your name for your birthday, especially. You have more to say on this topic, I think.
Well, I mean, like my birthday, or?
Yeah, your birthday. Yeah, that's the topic, right?
Okay, cool. So it's today.
Congratulations and thanks for being with us on your birthday. That was really special. Thank you very much. Are you sure no one has any other questions about this TypeScript TwoSlash? No other questions. You really filled in. You saved. There is one more. You're really saving me again. A lot of heroes in here today. We thank you for your participation. This is why it's a community. Contribution. Thank you.
So I think since you're expert, I think that will be a simple question, but how does it actually work? Does it transpile in TypeScript to JavaScript, or
so
does it have some interpreter?
I don't know what exactly is under the hood. Like the usage is like this. So you've got a source, you pass it to TwoSlash, and it gives you some stuff. The stuff is this exact same thing, but without those sneaky comments that like pointed to the thing. And also it gives you a JSON with, I think, like the line where the error happens and what was the error. So you can render it. And that's TwoSlash, and then Shijiki is the thing that renders it and uses the thing. Cool. Okay, thank you.